Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold Xauusd for Friday. If you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, we can see some good correction on gold going on. And those who had sell positions, I believe that you got a relief. So try to exit at the right moment. Don't be too greedy. And after all, today is Friday. And as we all know, Friday can be a little bit dangerous, especially during the US session. And if you look at the economic calendar, we can see that today we have news coming up. Durable goods orders, not important. Michigan consumer sentiment, though it's a high impact news, but it is not a very major event like NP or CPI. But for the last 2-3 months, things have been really crazy, as we all know that all the news are bringing so much volatility to the market that you need to be careful all the time. So my dear traders, if you're a beginner, new trader, if you do not have much balance, do not try to gamble with your hard-earned money. Market will give you plenty of opportunities in the normal days. Okay. And my dear friends, before I proceed with the video, I would like to apologize for unable to bring regular videos because I have been traveling. I'm in Dubai right now. Tomorrow, so I won't be able to record anything because I have a flight tomorrow to Kolkata. I'm finally going back to Kolkata. And again on 27th, on Monday, on 27th, again I'm flying to Bhubaneswar, and then I'm going to Puri. I'm returning on 1st of January, 1st of June. So yes, there may be some irregularities again. So I'm extremely sorry. Okay, my life has become an airport. Okay, let's not waste any time, man. Let's get on the chart. So let's look at the trading opportunities for the day. So, my dear friend, let's try to understand step by step. So if you look at the overall trend of the market, see I have switched to the 4 hours time frame here, higher time frame. So who trades on higher time frame? Those who have patience. So my dear friend, we can see on higher time frame market is showing correction, recovery, and which is quite normal for any market of the world. No market goes up in a straight line, no market goes down in a straight line. Market always move in a zigzag pattern because of supply and demand. So in we can clearly see that on higher time frame market is still bullish. So if you are a positional trader, if you are a swing trader, okay, you need to wait a little longer. Maybe by next week when market will be going up again, you will get a nice opportunity to enter. Because see, the thing is simple. All the traders can be categorized into three categories: positional trader, swing trader, and day trader. And all the categories have their own time frames. So this is a higher time frame. So obviously, if you're a positional trader, if you want to take a position for a couple of weeks to a couple of months, then obviously you cannot expect to trade on lower time frame like hourly time frame or 15 minutes time frame. Being a positional trader, swing trader, if you are trading on 15 minutes time frame, 1 hour time frame, then obviously you're not doing the right job. So on 4 hours time frame, we can clearly see market is an uptrend, but yes, market is coming for correction. So let's wait a little longer. Maybe you can expect a good buy around 2300. What? Around 2300, you can expect a good buy. And if you're a day trader, then obviously you need to behave according to the market situation. For example, overall trend may be bullish, but as a day trader, if you take a buy position in this market, then obviously it is a foolish decision. Sometimes we get confused between the overall trend and the present trend, and we take some bad trades. So do not get confused. Just remember one thing, that you need to be loyal to your own time frame. That's it. So in this situation, okay, we can see that after making a low of 2325, market is slowly going up, or market is consolidating here. So respecting the present trend of the market right now, what should be the trading strategy here? The trading strategy should be obviously sell on rise. Simple means in this present condition, okay, these sellers are dominating. So as a result, whenever market will hit the resistance, we will look for a sell. Later on, by next week, when we will get a confirmation in the form of market structure that market is going for recovery again, then we will again shift ourselves. Then again we will be looking for buy positions only. We are traders, we need to be flexible. Okay, we cannot be adamant or arrogant. So at this moment right now we can see market is under the pressure. So sell on rise is the best trading strategy. Okay, so market made the low of 2325. So during the day, if market breaks 2325 with volume, if you see the market is going down again, market has formed a big red candle, it means the selling pressure is there. In that case, you can look for a sell position below this level here. Okay, and as I said, sell on rise means market going up and we are taking a sell at resistance. So where is the resistance then? We can look for a sell around 2350 to 2355. The blocks that I have drawn here is a resistance level. You must be knowing that round numbers, okay, they have separate value. Round numbers are important. Along with that, you can see we also have the FIBO 23.6% retracement level. Along with that, the previous support will be working as resistance and many reasons. So if market goes up also in this market situation where sellers are dominating, we can expect the market to face some selling pressure. If market reverses, we can look for a sell. What? If market reverses from 2350 2355 area, we can look for a sell. But be careful at the time of news, because when news dominates, that levels may not work. Okay, suppose news has come out and suddenly you see a big green candle. Okay, then obviously you should use your common sense and do not take a sell. Okay, we also have another immediate selling opportunity around. Okay, you can see here, if we change the time frame to 15 minutes, you can see we also have a minor selling opportunity around 2342, because of FIBO for 38.2% retracement level, but this is not a reliable level, and especially during the US session, this type of level may not work. Okay, so be careful. 2350 seems to be a better level right now, and you can see the 100 moving average is also coming down, so you can also expect a sell around 100 moving average as well. But keep in mind that if you take a sell, try to exit. Okay, try to exit during the before the market closes, because if any news comes out by the weekend, then obviously there may be some crazy opening on Monday and things may get wild. So if market goes up, we can look for a sell at resistance. Where is the best resistance? 2350 2355. So if market reverses, we will hit the sell button. But before that, we also have a minor selling opportunity around 2342, but only before the US session, because this is a weak level, it may not work before the after the US session. And my dear friends, if market doesn't go for retracement, then obviously we can't help it. In that case, buy at breakdown is the only trading strategy. And here, okay, we can look for a sell below 2325. And you can see that I have also drawn a line here. So 2315 can be your TP1 or 2316. What? 2316 will be our TP1. And the next support is around 2300. 2300 is a strong support, and I already have placed a buy limit. Let's see. Okay, and to be honest, I think that the selling pressure may be very strong, but market should not break 2300. I may be wrong also, but at this moment, okay, I think there's a high chance that market will give a weekly closing above 2300, and the reason is the option chain here. If I take you to the 2300, you can see we have a good number of contracts standing at 2300. So we can expect that the weekly closing will be above the 2300 only. And if surprisingly, my dear friends, surprisingly, we can see that at 2325 also we have a good amount of addition of contracts. Okay, so this is also a little bit disturbing. Means there is also a good chance that market will recover from here as well. So if market fails to recover, 2300 will come for the rescue. But the addition of contracts, okay, is a little bit disturbing, and there is a possibility the market may reverse from here as well after news. So be careful. That's why I said at the beginning of the video that if you had a sell position, if you are in a relief right now, do not be too greedy. Okay, try to exit by the US session. one more thing I would like to add here is that, my dear friends, we trade on a spot market. This data belongs to the futures market, future and options. So both the markets are different. Okay, but we have seen numerous times that this data has given us the edge, has worked perfectly. That's why we are discussing. Please do not try to criticize me in the comment section or send emails that Avilash, you are a fool, you don't know anything. Okay. So that's all from my side, my dear friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care. And if you loved the video, okay, if you got to learn something from the video, then please hit the like button. Okay, the views are going down. Okay, the algorithm will push the channel. Okay, thank you so much, my dear friends. Bye bye. Take care and be careful. Don't be a gambler.